Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Download the Acronis Backup and Recovery Installer and run it as administrator. The installer walks you through license acceptance and core component selection. Sign in with your Acronis account or create one during setup. Choose Typical Install and accept default components to simplify the process. When prompted, enable automatic updates so the product receives security fixes. Restart the computer if the installer requests it to finish driver configuration. Open the Acronis console after reboot to start your first backup plan. Select the source disks, files, or the entire system image to back up. Pick only essential data when you want smaller backup sizes and faster jobs. Set a destination like external drive, network share, or Acronis Cloud for redundancy. Choose full plus incremental mode to save space while keeping recovery points. Schedule daily or hourly backups and set retention to 30 days to limit storage usage. Enable compression and encryption with a strong password before starting the backup job. Click Backup Now to create the initial recovery point. Create bootable rescue media to restore a failed system offline when Windows cannot start. Boot the target machine from the rescue USB to access Acronis recovery tools outside the OS. Use Browse for backup to mount backups and extract individual files without performing a full restore. For full system restores, select the recovery point and choose disk mapping carefully to avoid overwriting the wrong drive. Test restores every 30 days and verify checksums after recovery to confirm integrity. Document your recovery steps for faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.